Hello. So Ben here from DeversiFi. I'm going to quickly run through some steps for interacting directly with the DeversiFi smart contracts in the event that you have some locked token balances, but you've lost your trading keys for MetaMask. So this video supplements a knowledge base article, which I'll link in the description below, that goes through some of the stages a bit more and explains some important information. So I've actually just unlocked some balances that are pending withdrawal. So I'll just show you kind of how I did that and how you can too. So step one, obviously you want to ensure that your MetaMask account is connected. Then you want to right click and select inspect. So from here, you want to move over to network, and when you come here, sometimes it's already selected to media or font or something like that. You want to ensure it's on all and search get user conf. Otherwise, you can head over to, you can find get user conf that way. Once here, again, sometimes the tab might automatically be on response or something else. But the easiest way to get the information we're looking for is on preview. So you want to ignore all this top stuff here and head straight to token registry and find the token balance, which is relevant. So what you're looking for here is your vault ID. Each user's wallet has a unique vault ID associated with each token, and that vault ID is different across some of the tokens. So you want to copy and paste. So let's assume I have some locked USDT and some locked Ethereum, and I want to manually unlock both. I would head to the USDT dropdown, copy and paste the stock vault ID for USDT, and I would do the same thing for Ethereum. It's worth noting as well that other ERC20 tokens like FUN and also Wrap Bitcoin share the same vault ID as Ethereum, whereas the stablecoins, or some of the stablecoins like Tether, have their own vault ID. So once that's done, you want to head over to Etherscan and navigate to the DeversiFi smart contract on Etherscan. This is linked to in the knowledge base, and I'll put it in the description below as well. So once here, you want to first ensure that you have signed into your Etherscan account or create one. It's a very quick process. And then head over to the contract tab here. And then from here to write as proxy. I'm currently connected already, so I reset it to show you how you connect. So you'd click this button here to connect via your MetaMask. And it will ask you to sign a transaction to do that. And once done, you want to head over to item number 9, full withdrawal request, and in here type in the vault ID. In this case, it's for USDT. So you do that first and then do the other balances. So I've already completed mine, so I won't be able to show you the transaction, but it'll be a typical MetaMask transaction. In this case, I have to reconnect for some reason. Be a typical MetaMask transaction. And what this will do is it will begin the process of withdrawing your locked tokens from DeversiFi to your wallet. So the withdrawal itself won't be instant. It will it will be included in the next batch of withdrawals as indicated here. So this is the result of what we've just done. I had 118 USDT locked, which I couldn't unlock due to not having a backup of my trading keys for MetaMask. Whereas this process does it manually by interacting with the blockchain directly, and that amount is now pending for withdrawals. And as you can see here, it's actually ready to go. So we can complete that withdrawal now by signing this transaction. And once that transaction is completed, then we'll have our funds back into our MetaMask wallet. Obviously, that's a process which isn't ideal. So we, of course, recommend you spend a moment to ensure that you've backed up your trading keys. But also, this is a good process to know in any event should you want to interact directly with the blockchain in order to get your locked balances. Okay, thanks.